Hey guys, welcome to Road Activities. This is your boy Ronnie here. Hope you're all doing great. Well, today I am with another video for the Sena 50S. It was actually for at least 2 or 3 weeks in transit. It is from international, not from low. We have not got it from India, so it took time for it to reach here. So this is the Sena 50S. So as you all know, this is the new apex of Sena 50 series. So they have two series, that is Sena 50S and the Sena 50R. So Sena 50R is something which you would not be able to always remove and fit it to another helmet. So 50S is something which is easy to use it, and it is almost similar to our Sena 30K, but this has a more advanced feature where we get the mesh 2.0. It's more reliable, it's more robust, and the audio, and I've seen some reviews, the audio clarity is amazing, and this is a Bluetooth 5 enabled. The speakers are redesigned, boosted, it has bass, it has very good clarity, it has the Google and Siri, and it has even a 30% fast charging. So it also has this adapter that comes with it, and it has a multi-language voice command support also, guys. So this is basically the best package that you can get. So the intercom, it's like it gets connected, as per Sena, it gets connected 8 kilometers distance. That's again based on the number of riders are getting connected. So let's directly not talk much and directly go straight to the unboxing. So as you normally see in some YouTube channels, they have some special scissors and things like that. Well, I don't have that. I have a pen which is of 5 rupees. Okay, so this is what I'm going to use. So let me just go ahead and open it. Yes, it's open. Let's go ahead. Let the cover be there, and let me show you the box. Okay, so this is how the box looks like. So basically, I think there is no MRP written on this. As I said, this is an imported product. So you can see Bluetooth 5, mesh intercom 2 kilometers. So yeah, so if you are just going to use with another person, you will get 2 kilometers. If it is with couple of riders, you will get till 8 kilometers. Then it has a multi-way intercom, music sharing, advanced noise control, audio multitasking, voice command, FM, and the smartphone app, which I will show you. These are the features that you can see. I'll also share the details, link in the description, the website where you can go ahead and visit. So let's go directly to it. Okay, so I am not sure how this works. Let's see. Okay, comes off like this. Okay, there is a Sena branding again. The box again is just like that, and you take it like this. Okay, I don't want to shake it too much. So are you ready, guys, for it? Let us see if it is there. Oh, look at this, guys. Lovely, lovely, man, I love it. The design looks fabulous design. Let me take this pretty out. She looks gorgeous. Okay, so this is the first Sena that I'm holding. I never holded a Sena in my life. It's very lightweight when I compare with my other intercom, the V6 one. This is the jog dial. So this is how the mesh works. I think the antenna, you press this or just pull this up. I'm not sure. I know. Okay, it's here. Okay, this is how it comes, and you press this. This is the mesh switch, this is the jog dial, this is the button, and I don't know what is this for. I have to sit, learn what is all this. This is for the charging, this is where it gets connected. Okay, let me keep this aside as of now and let us go. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay. Oh, okay, this is heavy. This is very heavy. Okay. There's another box. Inside there is another box. Okay, this is also kind of heavy. So that's it. We'll keep this aside here. Let me see what is there in this box. So I think this is probably all the manuals and documents. Yes, man, this is very heavy. Seriously, guys. So let me go ahead and check this out. Okay, so this is the quick start guide. It comes in different languages. French. Hold on, let me see. This is English. This is French. This is German. This is Spanish. This is Italian. Thankfully, there's no Chinese. So this is just to show a quick guide how it, to start things up. So this is again the English, French, German, Spanish, Italian. Man, a lot of stuff. What is this now? Again, this is the certification and safety approval. Again, these are all in those languages. Man, they have so much of languages here. So this is basically, what is this? Safety precautions. Again, these are the things which we don't look into. So let's keep this aside there. Let's open the other box and see what all comes. Okay, we'll keep this box here. Oops. Okay, so this is the kit, guys, that comes to connect the Sena to your helmet. This is the portion that comes with the boom mic, and this is an additional boom mic that comes. Then this is the charging cable that comes. This is for, I'm not sure for what. Maybe to connect some audio, I'm not sure. So I'll keep this aside. And this is to update. This is the Wi-Fi adapter that comes, they've said. And then, man, oh, there are a couple of stuffs here. Let's check what are these stuff. Okay, these are the extra clamps for the Sena. Yeah, these are the extra clamps that comes, and if you want to stick, you can stick. All the stickers are there. Then some other more stickers. These are for the small mic, not the boom mic, the normal mic. These are the the one which you put on top of the mic. Well, guys, these are basically the ear cushions that comes. Good cushions. So basically you get all these things with this Sena 50S. So I would have told you already what all stuff comes over here. So the talk time, guys, for this through Bluetooth intercom, the talk time, as Sena says, it's 14 hours, and if you are connected through mesh intercom, it is nearly 9 hours. So the charging time for full charge, it's 1 hour, and if you do a fast charge from zero, I mean, let's say this is zero charge, it has zero charge, and if you charge for 20 minutes, you can use this for 6 hours. So it's amazing, guys, amazing stuff. So yeah, rest all details, I'm not much sure. I have to go and learn about this, because I am not even sure about how this works. Let me see if this will turn on. Okay, guys, so I have gone ahead and charged this, it's keep on charging. So I'll tell you how this will turn on. So I was just going through the Sena site. So basically you need to press this and this, the jog dial, you need to press both. It turns on and you can see it's on. Okay, and if you need to turn off, press and hold, it's off. End of the day, this is Sena, so I have high expectations on this particular model. So yeah guys, that's all. As I say, ride safe, take care, God bless you, bye bye.